We're heading to the beach. Yeah, first time going to the beach. I'm happy, she's happy, we're all happy. So follow us. Public. The tide is up quite a bit. There was a beach earlier. Now it's all the way to the huts right there. So that's okay. And even that, it's already in water. We're gonna find out where we need to pay and go from there and see what we need to do. Alright, let's check it out. So we're in a little cabana house. She's all dressed up as if it was winter.
So hot.
But the sun is very, very hot here, so you have to kind of wear this like that. So I have sleeves. But there's the ocean. Finally. Finally. I'll get out there in a bit. I'm gonna get my good camera and we'll take out some pictures too. There's a lot of little islands right out from the area. Leave your sandals.
Leave?
Yeah, leave.
No.
Yes, no. Leave. You'll lose them. You don't want to lose them. You're good.
It's hurt in the feet.
Come on, come on. How are you going to swim with your sandals?
I know how to swim.
With sandals on?
Yes.
She knows how to swim with sandals on. Let's see.
Yes.
Oh, we'll see.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is a look down the beach. There. Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Oh. Yeah. There we go. Into the wall. Ouch. Ooh. Ee. Ah. And then look. Once my hands are dry and everything, I'll have to get the good camera out from here, take some photos. That'd be nice. There. It's kind of bright going that way. But made it to the ocean. Oh. Yeah. Made to the ocean. Woo. Oh, I got dunked. Oh, you can taste the salt water. Woo. Yeah. Oh, it's hard. Swimming with the GoPro in one hand. It's not that deep. Ah, yeah. Boy. Not that deep right now. Probably, what, knee high? No. Waist high. Right here. So I'm not gonna go swimming. Oh, look who's swimming. Yeah.
No.
Look who's swimming. I'm not gonna go swimming. Yeah. Oh boy. It took me a month, but I finally made it to the beach.
The beach.
And swimming in the ocean. Woo! Look at those waves. Yeah. Wonderful. Keep your mouth shut. You get seawater in it. Did you already learn that?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. Oh. Yeah. It's, you can kind of see my hand, but that's maybe about a foot deep. But it's kind of murky. It's not clean. Someday we'll get out to a nice island where it's really clear water. You can see 20, 30 feet straight down, but not here. Okay. This beach is in what town or area?
Naga.
Naga?
Naga.
Naga. It's in Naga area, which is south of Calbayog.
Naga.
Yeah. Oh boy. Nice. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Oi.
Oh,
Oi. I floated into her. Oi. Woo. Look at those waves. Woo. Keep your mouth shut. Oh. Yeah. I think the tide's going down a little. I said I think the tide's going down a little maybe. Because it was a lot higher up. And there's other benches. And you got, you know, beach over there. Before you even get to the bench, this area that we're at, the first row of benches is actually in the water. But over there, it's not. You got more beach there. And further on down, all the frontline ones, they got 2 rows. frontline ones, they don't have any water in it. So, yeah. Oh, having a good time out here. Just floating. Keep your mouth shut so you don't get, oh boy, boy. So I'm trying not to get the GoPro in the water, but it's watered sealed, so I don't have to worry about it, I hope. There. Just join now. They're way out there. Last time I floated in the ocean, that's what I did. I got way out there, and all of a sudden it was like, whoa, I'm way out there. Maybe I need to come back. So I did. I know I'm talking a lot. It's like I'm so excited to be out here enjoying this. I'm gonna have to get new swim trunks. The elastic in mine are a little bit out, so I'm make sure I have my swim trunks on before I get out of the water. That would be dangerous. Right? That's why they call them Dangerous Dan. Is she swimming with her sandals on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Woo. Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh. Whoa. Oh, that is a big one. Whew. Not expecting that one. Whoa. How many cuts and scratches am I gonna have on my feet? Hey. Hey. Hey, yeah. I'm in the ocean. Yay! Can you see Almagro from here?
No.
Oh, way that way. Okay, I'm gonna take a walk along the beach. Make sure my pants don't fall off. Okay, so I don't know if you can see down there, the shore. Oh, there it goes. Walking down. Got it. Yeah. Now I grew up around water. Every summer we went to a cottage when we lived in Chicago, and we had a cabin up there and a boat, and we get in the water all the time. I just love it. Go boarding, go water skiing. It was fun. Oh, that's a sand castle somebody built. Not much there. And then you have little stands here with some noodles, some beer, liquor, potato chips, load available, candy. You got rafts that you can rent. Naga Beach. Pretty nice. thing.